Welcome to Bald Eagle Garage. Today I'm in the garage and I got some more lights here. And I'm going to show you why I bought these lights and why I bought more of them again. We're going to be using this old Mustang as a workbench for the time being because, well, all my other ones are filled up at the moment. This is getting parted out, so a lot of parts are on all the workbenches right now. If you like that kind of stuff, make sure you subscribe and look for that video. It's coming up. It came in backwards, and that's just how it's got to be. So I need more light on that side of the garage right now. And in order to do that, I'm going to add some lights, adding on to what I already have. I'm going to show you everything about them here, so hold tight. This is what comes with this set. These are switches. So there's a rocker switch and a plug-in on both sides. There are 5 of those. You have some extensions with the kit. There are 5 of those. And there are plug-ins, so you can plug each, not all the lights, but there are 5 plug-ins right there. Here's all your hardware, and also extensions right here. They go from one light to another so that they will be butted right up against each other, like that right here. I would definitely check the package for damage, especially on the ends here. A lot of shipping companies don't really know. They got a lot of stuff going on, so stuff can get damaged. Here is the light. There's that connection piece. It's the same on both sides. And here's what I really like about this set. The LEDs are angled, so you have one going this way and the other one going this way. So it helps spread the light out more instead of just coming straight down. This is an aluminum frame here on the back. And this is how you affix it to the ceiling. It includes screws. I would recommend having some screws on hand. I have broken a few of these screws. So having your own screws would probably be a benefit to you. And you just place the screw right through there and pop it on up to the I don't know, rafter or whatever you're putting it on. And then this just snaps into it, just like that. These are really lightweight, so they aren't going to be pulling your ceiling down on you. If you're going in the drywall, they include these, I don't know what you call it. What do you call that? That little, it's a drywall sleeve anchor, screw anchor, drywall anchors. It comes with those. Those are pretty good, but if you're using these screws going into lumber or 2x4 or 2x6, anything in your ceiling that is lumber, they will probably break on you. Just an FYI. There are plenty of these, 2 per each light, so there's 20. And then there's also these end caps that can go over the end that you're not using. So when you want a line of lights or a run of lights to end, you can just plug that into the back end of it. Alright, now we're going to go get some of these installed. So what I'd like to do is add some lights here. And I had a bunch of fluorescents up in here like that one. But I got rid of all of them because I cleared out my ceiling and I'm reframing it. But not today. So right now I need more light to work on this piece of junk. So I'm going to add one to this light right here by just plugging into it. I mounted another bulb there. And then I'm going to use the extension and go across to here and do another one. Maybe two right there. I'd also like to have one right here and under here. So let's get going on that. Alright, we got some differences here. The original kit that I bought that is already installed, I only bought it about a month or two ago. This kit is different. I went to the same thing on my Amazon, buy or order again, same thing, and it's different. These are your extensions that go in between. This is now 2 foot. The one I have up there between there and there is 4 foot, and it's just wrapped around so it's not dangling. So these used to be 4 foot, now they're 2 foot. Also the switch, the one with the switch, this was also 4 foot. But the difference was on one end of it, it had a plug. Now it has this plug that is an extension. So it is what it is for that. But the other note is you can see how that isn't, it's just a little smushed. So it's going to take a little bit of extra work to get that seated onto the end of the cord. It might be because it was the way it was shipped in the box. And it's really cold in here. Alright, these are 47 inches long. So you got to kind of plan out where you want to put your little brackets. I put mine at about 1 foot from each end. So it doesn't have to be exact. You don't have to be super measuring about it. Just put them up there in about that area and you'll be fine. So I'm going to put one right there and the other one right here. And since I'm going into lumber, I'm using some old construction screws. I have broken off some of the original ones going into lumber, so just be wary of that. I have my bracket installed here and here. Make sure they're straight, both sides. Now we just hook the light up and then we snap the light right in. Just line her up, plug her in, like that. Take that end you got here, plug her into the other one you got. Make sure it's all good and seated in there. And now it's alive in your hands. Make sure your wire's all good. Put it in there so the back end is in. Get it where you want to, where you want it. And then just snap it up. And that'll be just fine. I did say earlier how I like to put them a foot away from the ends, but that's alright. I wanted this to go all the way to here because I want to take another line from here to go to there so that all these are on one switch. When I flip that switch, they will all turn on. This isn't going to be my permanent setup. All these will be coming down and my ceiling will actually end up here. So it's going up about 29 inches. You should totally subscribe for that because that's going to be cool. Don't you think that's going to be cool? Raising the ceiling in your garage? It's coming up. Make sure the wire is out of the way of the garage door opener because that would suck. It'll be fine for now. It is temporary. So now you can see how much brighter it is right here from these lights. And that's what I really like about them. It's 5200 lumens. And don't get that confused with the color rating. So this color rating is 6500K, and that is super bright white. As you go lower, it would turn into more of a yellowish hue. But the lumens is what actually measures brightness, not the color. So make sure when you're searching for these lights, make sure you're comparing the same size, because if you went to a 5-footer, it's going to have a larger or a higher lumens number, but that's because it's 5 foot, not 4 foot. Same with the 6-footer, it's going to have even higher lumens because it's longer. So if you're looking for 4-footers, this was the highest lumens I could find in this 6500K brightness or color level that I could find for the best price. These are about $10 each, give or take. Their prices have been fluctuating. If you really want to find a really good deal on these, find the ones you want and copy that link and then go to Camel. Yeah, that's right. I'm not making a joke. There's really a website, Camel. Put that link into Camel, and it will tell you the price of it for like the last 3 months or whatever, 6 months, the high, the low. It's a good way to shop if you're like really pinching pennies and stuff, or really care about that kind of stuff. But so much brighter right here. I'm going to add 2 more right here, and if I'm feeling ambitious, I might try and get up above that, and maybe I'll get one under here or right here. We'll see. So these are in the description down below. You should go grab yourself a set. Smash that like button if you like this video. If you find this kind of content, helpful for you, help me out. Help me out back. Just click that button. It doesn't cost you a thing. Likes are free this week, so make sure to smash that like button. It doesn't cost you anything. This week only, though. So I'm going to add 2 more right here along this rafter tie. I have my brackets already on. 1 here, 2 more down there, and 1 more right here. Just kind of guesstimated where they need to go. And then I connected 2 4-footers with one of these right there. And I'm going to show you how to get that up in here. So you got both of them. Work on the far one down there. Let's get it angled up in there. All of them angled up. And then just snap over one at a time. Move it over just a little bit more right there. Just like that. It's definitely tricky doing two of them at the same time here. Alright, just like that. Just they're all snapped up there nice and tight and good. Don't cry for the Mustang. It has served its time and purpose. It is ready to go. And now I just got to hook that up, and we'll have more light. And you know why it didn't turn on? Because the switch. Bam. Look at that. Look at all the brightness. Look at all the lumens. Wow, that is fantastic. Now I can see while I rip this car apart up here. Normally I work up there on stuff because the garage door would cover these lights up anyways. But again, the car came in backwards instead of forward. I wasn't about to do all the switching around. Needed these lights anyways. I know this is kind of janky, but all this is coming down again when I get my new ceiling in, and then it will all be nice. It'll be nice and planned out. They'll all either go this way or that way, or maybe I'll do something funny with it sideways. Who knows? I'll think about it when I get to it. But there you have it. You can see all the bright light up in here. $10 a 4-footer. Packs of 10. Link in the description down below. Check it out. Grab it. Also a special this week. Subscriptions are free this week. Likes are free as well. If everything goes well, I might extend that to next week as well. So make sure to smash that like button. If I helped you out, help me out back. All right? Later.